So I'm testing out my new Baja Designs lights. I have the 40-inch Onyx Plus light bar that goes behind the grill and two Squadron Pros on each side that have the amber lens with the wide cornering. I think the throw on the light bar complements the wide cornering really well. And you can see just a variety of angles here turning on and off the various lights. And actually, since I bought and I'm making this video, they said that they've made the Squadron Pros 20% brighter. So the new ones would be even better than this. But you can see here a little bit on the road how it looks. And really, they're just phenomenal. They're a very good investment. And I use them just about every night, especially since I live in a rural area.